Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Mike here again. And today at Hanging Out with Mike, we decided to go to Myrtle Beach. More specifically, we went to Broadway at the beach, which is about 2 hours away from Fort Bragg, North Carolina, or Fayetteville, North Carolina, wherever you're watching this from. There's a lot to do here, so it's kind of a fun little getaway, nice little day trip. But we're gonna go ahead and show you what this place has to offer, what kind of shops there are, and just give you an idea if you are looking to get away for a weekend. All right, so if you're coming down here, there's plenty of options to eat. You got O'Charlie's, you got Hard Rock Cafe, which is a local favorite. We ate at a pizza place today called Extreme Pizza. You got plenty of bars because it is a tourist place. You got the American Tap House right here. You got Wahlburgers, if you like Marky Mark and the Funky Bunch, that's their hamburger place. So not only is there places to eat, there's also lots of activities to do. Right here's a climbing wall. They got Wonderworks. They have a maze, a glass maze, an aquarium, a Ripley's aquarium, an escape room. Just a whole lot to do down here. Majority of the shops here are shopping, but there are specialties like Ben & Jerry's, and they got the coffee shop, Paula Deen. So they got a little something of everyone, or a little something for everyone here, whether it's cell phone stuff, handmade knives, you want some t-shirts. So here's Ripley's Aquarium. Today there seems to be a big line to get into it. It's a pretty fun aquarium. We've been to it a couple times. Unfortunately, we are not going to go today just because we don't feel like waiting in line. So it's not crazy busy yet. But as it gets closer to summer, obviously more and more people are going to be coming here. Right now, if you try, you can kind of social distance. You got about 50-50 people wearing masks, not wearing masks, if that's something you're worried about. So there's the Wonderworks and the Ferris Wheel, it's on the other side. And I don't know if you can see it, but they're all doing helicopter tours. You hear them buzzing around every now and again. There's 2 of them. Now open, Ripley's Penguins. And they have a dinosaur museum too, if that's something that you're interested in. If you are interested in it, I actually have a dinosaur video posted on my blog from about 2 weeks ago. Okay, maybe it was a month ago. So if you want to see real live action dinosaurs moving and roaring, go ahead and check out that video. If you are a Jimmy Buffett fan, there's Margaritaville. So there used to be attractions over across the way, the Pavilion East, but it's a barren wasteland right now. Hopefully they bring some cool stuff. We'll see in the future. All right, coming soon, the Hangout. Don't know what that is. Looks like a restaurant slash bar with lots of fun stuff to do. All right, we're gonna go check out the Quickie Mart. We've never been in here before, so I'm assuming it's Simpson themed. Do you want to go? Hey, how's it going? Can we get 2 to the movie?
Yeah. There's 2 adults, it's $32.22.
How long is the movie?
It's about 20 to 25 minutes long.
Okay. So we're getting ready to ride the Simpsons 4D. Hopefully I don't get sick. I usually get sick when I ride 4D rides, so it could be a long 20 minutes. So we just watched the Simpsons movie, 4D movie. It was kind of cute. Had a lot of cool little 4D movements. You got pretty wet. It rained on you quite a bit and splatted on you. So it was fun though. It's definitely worth it. It's a good break, especially if it's hot out. You know, it gives you about a 20-minute break from the heat. So I would recommend it. All right, it's pretty empty again. It kind of goes in waves where, you know, you're elbow to elbow and then it opens up and there's nobody around. So once again, it's kind of the backside, not really the most popular section of Broadway at the beach, but still pretty cool. Still some neat stuff to do down here. Need new swimsuits?
No.
Who doesn't love Christmas? This is Christmas at the beach. Any Christmas store is my favorite one. Here's a giant candy store down here called It's Sugar. Let's walk through and then go. Oh, we even got Disney princesses here.
Work up a ladder. When you got enough, get your hands full.
I don't know if they're sanctioned Disney princesses though.
No, you know it.
And now we're gonna go find a coffee and then probably head home for the day. All right, so they have a couple thrill rides back here. This is the Pavilion at Broadway.
Everybody wants to get to the top, so here you go.
And then of course, like usual, we're gonna end our day with coffee. This place is called the Social Brew?
The social.
The Social. All right, so one thing that you might have noticed throughout the video is if you are still worried about COVID and people masking up, I would avoid this place. I'd say it's about 50-50 who's wearing it and who is not.
Maybe unless you're vaccinated.
Say what?
Maybe unless you're vaccinated fully.
Yeah, yeah, if you're vaccinated, you should be good, but until then, if you're worried, I wouldn't come. Even in stores we saw, they all have the signs that say must wear a mask to come in, and it's still about 50-50 going in there. All right, so here's the Ferris wheel they have here. Pretty big. And it looks like they also have some kiddie rides or some slower rides. They got, looks like some bumper cars. Oh, not bumper cars. They're just going around in a circle. They got the carousel. A couple other rides, but just another area to do stuff if you're coming down here. Besides just shop Wonderworks. We're not going to go in it this trip. We're getting ready to head out. I just want to show you guys that is something else. If you're familiar with Wonderworks, it's down here at Myrtle Beach. And then they have a zip line course that you can go on. So if you want to store your stuff, they got lockers for rent. And it's what?
You have a zip line. You can get the zip line. Oh yeah.
Oh, and they got a zip line. Where's that? Oh. So they got a zip line too. Thanks for watching our video. And if you liked it, if you liked the information that we gave you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to hang out with Mike some more, see all our fun activities and shenanigans. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to continue to see what we're doing around North Carolina, South Carolina, and Fort Bragg area. Continue to give you guys day trips, give you guys ideas of what to do just to get away for the weekend, and see what all there is to do around here instead of sitting in your house. So come hang out with Mike, and until next time, have a great day.